Today's video, we are installing this steering wheel into our 1967 C10. We will show you how to remove the old one and replace it with a new one. We are about ready to replace this steering wheel right here with this one right here. It's a 15-inch. It's about, I think it was about $90, cheap steering wheel, but not cheap. It seems like good quality, horn button, all of that. I have the steering wheel puller kit, and also I got this hub from Summit Racing. I would recommend getting this one. The 67, 68 is a little different spindle than the newer ones, so watch out if you do order some from Amazon. But we're going to be installing this today. We got the puller kit here and the steering wheel. Let's get into this. So the factory steering wheel, this horn button right here just pops off. I've had it off before because I painted this. If you haven't seen that series, watch that. I did a black metallic. It looked pretty good, but as you see, steering wheel's falling apart and it's time to replace it. This is a little bit smaller, which will give me more room for my racing seats and all of that. And I don't have power steering, so this will be the good size for it. Let's get into the hub puller and pull this thing apart. So you'll see right in the center is the nut. We need to take this nut off first. I'm gonna see what size that is. 7/8. Nope. Oh, it's a little loose. Let's see, it's 3/4? 3/4. So it is a 3/4. So I grabbed my Craftsman tool. I tell you what, this thing is handy. I'm gonna see if I can. Well, came off easy. Just like that. The nut is off. And a little washer behind it. We got to work on getting the 3 screws off of there, and then we're going to use the hub puller, steering wheel puller. Before we get too much into this, if you like these type of install videos, you like car shows, consider subscribing, hit that like button. We purchased this ourselves from Amazon. We'll drop an affiliate link below. Let's get back into this install. Every time you hit that like, subscribe, join us. We're going to car shows. We're taking the C10 with us, and we're also doing a build series. So if you haven't seen the other stuff we did, check that out. We just did carpet, racing seats, all of that stuff. It'll be out on the channel. Back into the install of this steering wheel. And there we go. This piece just comes out. I'm putting all these pieces on the floor here. Take this piece off. So if you see here, these 2 screw holes, that's where the steering wheel puller is going to go into. It's hard to see right there and that side. And then it pushes on this while it pulls the steering wheel. Let me go get that set up. The kit comes with different threaded bolts because it's a universal kit. Find the one that fits your vehicle. And then what we're going to do, so in my case it's the silver one. I gotta push this. Be right back. I'm adjusting this, removing this. Make it a little bit lower profile. I'll be right back. I was mistaken, it's the black ones. So I secured one of them onto it. I'm going to secure the other one. You gotta make sure they go on smooth, and we're gonna tighten these up. Let me go get the wrench. So these on mine are 12 millimeter. Just make sure they're going on smooth. You don't want them to go crooked. Now, we'll screw this down so it's all flush with that nut in the middle with the little stud there. And then as we tighten it, it's going to pull this steering wheel off, just like that. And I'll be right back after this part of it. So you just keep turning until it pushes it and it comes right off. Quite simple actually. Don't be scared of it. It is not that difficult. Now I'm gonna go get the hub and we're gonna put that on. With this, you just push it on. You hear that click? There we go. She is secure. Now I'm going to reverse order. I'm going to put this washer on and then the nut. Tighten it up. You're hearing the turn signal. I'll grab the steering wheel. What I'm going to do, thread lock, I'm going to put a little bit on here. So right on the edge. I put this on all threads, especially steering wheel components, those. And now it's time to put the nut on, torque it down. Torqued right there. Good. Now time to get the steering wheel. Steering wheel does come with all the stuff if you do want to wire your horn button. I have an auxiliary horn button, so I won't be using that. I have this lined up, the top bolt right here. My wheels are dead center. So I'm going to grab the included hardware. I'm going to start the top one first. This is already going to be amazing. Don't forget, I will drop an affiliate link below the products I use in this video. I don't have a Summit Racing affiliate link, but I will link their product. So if you see this Summit Racing, we'd love to be sponsored. And go like that, and then we got the other 5 remaining. I'm going to do every other, just like wheels, everything like that. I'm not fully torquing them, I'm just getting them a little on there because I want to drive, see if it needs adjustment later. I'll fully torque it once all these are in. I'm going to get to this and I'll be right back. And there we go. It's just that easy. Tighten those up. That looks a whole lot better. I'm going to go drive around and I'll let you know how it turns out. Well, I'm back. Steering wheel did good. I like it. It's going to fit my needs for a little bit until I do a custom one or something like that. If you stayed this long, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and go check them out. Go grab you one. It's a universal 6-bolt steering wheel, 15-inch. They offer some other ones. Like I said, we'll drop the affiliate link below. Check out video on the left and the right. We're off to a car show coming soon, Southeastern Truck Nationals. We're bringing the C10 with us.